In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table to a Wix website. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized table live on your site and know exactly how to manage it. First, open your site in the Wix editor. Once you're in the editor, look to the left-hand toolbar. Open the panel where you add elements, then use the search bar at the top. Type Table to quickly find the table options. This is the fastest way to get to what you need without scrolling through every category. From the results, click Tables to open Wix's preset table designs. You'll see a few styles. Pick one that suits your page's look and feel. Click the table preset to add it, then click on your page to place it. You can drag it to position and use the handles on the edges to resize it so it fits your layout. With the table selected, click Manage Table. This is where you control the content and structure. You can rename columns, reorder them, and set what each column shows. Let's set up the core columns. Select the first column and update it to show your tour dates or whatever date field you're using. Next, select the column for tickets, especially if you're planning to add links to buy tickets. Then choose the column for location so visitors can easily see where each event is happening. If you're connected to data, make sure each column is mapped to the correct field, like tour dates, tickets, and location. Take a moment to confirm the field for tour dates is correctly selected so your formatting and sorting work as expected. If you need another column, click Add Column. Give it a clear name, something short and descriptive, and choose the appropriate type, like text or link, depending on what you'll display. When you're happy with your columns and their order, click Done to save the changes. Back on the canvas, align your table with other elements and adjust spacing so it looks balanced. If you want, use the design settings to refine fonts, colors, borders, and row styles so the table matches your site's branding. Keep columns concise to make the table easy to scan, and consider setting consistent column widths for a tidy layout. When everything looks good, click Publish in the top right to push your updates live. Finally, click View Site to open the live page and confirm your table displays correctly. Test any links and scan the table on desktop and mobile to ensure it's readable. That's it. Your table is now added, customized, and live on your Wix website.